Today I'm sharing a lunch that's full of homemade flavor and completely zero waste. Crispy cucumber to cut the richness, spicy turmeric powder roasted shrimp, onion omelet, and the star of the show, Korean banchan fried rice. Every bite is pure happiness. Nutritious, simple, and suitable for everyone. Let's start with the refreshing crispy cucumber. Slice the cucumber and set aside. No seasoning needed, simple and one bite gives you juicy crispness that perfectly cuts through the richness of the roasted shrimp and fried rice. The texture contrast is wonderful. Next up, the protein spicy turmeric powder roasted shrimp. I used chili powder purchased from Shopee, comparable to Shillin chili powder. It's very spicy, so just a little is enough. Add turmeric powder, pepper, and a pinch of salt to marinate the shrimp. Turmeric not only adds aroma, but is also a natural anti-inflammatory ingredient. After marinating, pop them in the oven or air fryer until cooked. The roasted shrimp are spicy and flavorful, with the aroma of turmeric and the heat of chili perfectly blended. The shrimp are bouncy, juicy, and very appetizing. Next is a home-style dish many have loved since childhood, onion omelet. Slice the onion thinly, thinner is better. Heat oil in a pan and stir-fry the onion until soft and golden brown. At this point, the onion's natural sweetness is fully released, and the aroma is intense. Then pour in the beaten eggs. Only flip once the bottom has set. Simply done. A golden onion omelet is ready. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. The sweetness of the onion and the fragrance of the egg come together perfectly. It's great with rice or fried rice. Now for today's highlight, Korean banchan fried rice. This is a method I personally love because it's completely zero waste. All the ingredients I use are leftover banchan from takeout Korean meals: fish cake, dried anchovies, peanut banchan, and kimchi. Nothing goes to waste, and it tastes absolutely delicious when made into fried rice. In the same pan, first stir-fry the minced onion until fragrant and translucent. Then add the fish cake and stir-fry until aromatic. Next, add the dried anchovies and peanut banchan, stirring to bring out their savory saltiness and crunchy texture. Then add the kimchi. The sour and spicy kick of kimchi is the soul of this fried rice. Season simply with a little salt and pepper, then add the rice. Deals or cooled rice works best as it separates easily. Press and break up the rice, stir-frying until everything is well mixed. Finally, add Korean soy sauce in 2 batches. Add half, stir well, then add the remaining half. This allows the soy sauce aroma to fully infuse every grain of rice. Stir-fry until the rice is fluffy and each grain is separate. Then it's ready. For plating, put the rice in a bowl or on a plate. Then arrange the crispy cucumber slices, spicy roasted shrimp, and golden onion omelet on the side. The whole plate has green, orange, yellow, and red that looks incredibly appetizing. Nutrition-wise, this meal is very balanced. Shrimp provides low-fat, high-quality protein. The onion omelet adds protein and flavor. Cucumber hydrates and is low in calories. The fried rice ingredients each offer different nutrients. Fish cake has protein. Dried anchovies are rich in calcium. Peanuts provide healthy fats. And kimchi is a fermented food that's good for digestion. No deep frying, no excess oil. You'll feel full, but not heavy after eating. The best thing about this lunch is its flexibility and zero-waste approach. Leftover banchan from takeout Korean meals might otherwise be thrown away, but turning them into fried rice creates an incredibly delicious home-style dish. Feel free to mix and match whatever banchan you have in your fridge. Simple method, rich flavor. Every bite is happiness. Next time you get Korean takeout, don't throw away the leftover banchan. Give this recipe a try at lunchtime. Just plate it up and enjoy. If you love simple home-style cooking and zero-waste recipes, feel free to check out my YouTube homepage. See you next time! The first bite hits you with kimchi's sour and spicy kick, fresh and appetizing. Right after, the savory Korean soy sauce spreads across your tongue with a hint of sweetness. The fish cake is bouncy and chewy, releasing more flavor with every chew. The crispy dried anchovies and crunchy peanuts add wonderful layers of texture. Home cooking is easy and delicious.